This profile pop-up is for Ariv. Nice picture there. I really like that one. It's nothing in the background, focused in, zoomed in, looking right at us. That's a really good picture. You even take advantage of the background. Engineering and R&D services. I presume that's something for your company. A little unclear what that is for there, but lead engineer, I'm looking at your current company. That's what it makes me want to do. But let's revisit this. I haven't done this in a while, guys. You have 7 seconds basically with a resume, and I don't think it's any different. In fact, it's probably less on a profile. What does a recruiter first see? They do a search, and you come up in the search. They see your picture, your name, and part of the headline. That may be all you get, guys. That takes about a second to glance at it, right? Now, your name is kind of long, so you don't get to see a whole lot, but luckily the key that you're after, it looks to me, is lead engineer. So you're leading with what you want to be known for and what you want to be found for. That's great. I presume that's the case. Now, thanks for stopping by my LinkedIn profile. You see how that was when I got there? That kind of an approach, it's interesting. If that works for you, if that's what you like to do, that's great. But, thanks for stopping by. In short, I'm working as an OpenStack administrator, helping developers. You've got to give them, in my opinion, you've got to give them a little bit more to want to click and come in there. It's not so much thanks for stopping by. It's kind of like, oh, wow, since you're here, did you notice? Take a look at this profile. Watch what I'm about to show you. That's the kind of thing that I want to see in that little bit there, and that'll pop, and that'll bring people in. That's what you want to do. Now, the other thing that they're looking at, I went way longer than the 6 seconds or 7 seconds, but they're going to go right here in a matter of seconds to your current position. And if you don't have a current position, you're in trouble. Ask me more about it in the comments. Here, see how you don't see the full thing, but you got bullets, that's good, but I don't see results. You're working as, you're engaged, creating, that's better. Here, engaged, acquired. I'm not seeing metrics. I'm not seeing metrics, and this is maybe what a recruiter's going to do. They're going to skim through this. They're going to look at your school, look at your results, look at licenses and certifications. Then they're probably going to go back out. They're going to go back up here and say, okay, well, I kind of see that. They may go down here and look at your skills real quickly, but okay, he's got some C, Linux, cloud computing. Those are his top skills. Now on LinkedIn Recruiter, I believe the view looks different than this. So they may open this up and take a look at it and say, okay, well, he's got a lot of these skills, but what's he really doing right now? What is his main thing? How can he really help me? He's a lead engineer. A lead engineer of what? Let's go into the current position again. Working OpenStack, looks like OpenStack. Now, if they had put a keyword in there of OpenStack, these would all be in bold. OpenStack and OpenStack would be in there bold and here. So this would really be jumping out to the recruiter. So that's what you got to keep in mind, guys. This is kind of short and sweet. I'm trying to stick to close to 2 minutes. Let me know what you thought of the new format. I'm trying to show you what the recruiters will see in seconds. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.